hydrating and moisturizing for your lips. Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be doing another get ready with me. I know, I'm so crazy. No, I do these all the time, except today it's gonna be different. It's gonna be like a sit down, get ready with me, except I'm standing up because I like doing my makeup here. I don't know why, I just do, okay? Fun fact, I always have to choose what I want to use first. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but my face looks crazy oily right now. And that's because I put sunscreen on because, you know, it's the summer. And by the way, I'm so sorry if the lighting sucks. It's just I can't open my blinds because it's really hot outside. Oh, yeah, this is my painting, by the way. I did myself already 4 minutes in. That's great. Okay. So I use this Aurora Pro Cover Up Concealer in 58 Caramel Syrup. Okay. Any pimples? I have this one that looks like a mole, which is terrible. I'm gonna put that on that. Hopefully it gets covered up. Probably not. And here, because I slept 9 hours today. Oh no. I don't know how to do makeup. Probably not the right way. Oh, okay. So, oh my god, that looks terrible. I'm not using that brush right now. You guys, I've been gone for like a very long time. Practically a year, because like 2 posts that I made does not count. I'm 15 now. I have a boyfriend now. I'm gonna be a sophomore in high school. My school starts August 8th, sadly. This summer did not feel like summer at all because I went to summer school. Not because I'm a bad student. I'm a really good one, actually. No, I'm just kidding. But because I didn't do health. You're supposed to do it as a 9th grader. Well, it doesn't really matter when you do it, but most 9th graders do it. Now I'm putting powder on. But I do not like summer school. I will never go back. Anyways, yeah, then also during the summer, like about 2 weeks ago, or a week ago, I did the summer bridge program, and that basically gets you like a free ASB card. I went for 4 days for that, and it was terrible. It wasn't that bad because I was with my best friend. And in summer school, I had no friends. I'm kidding, I had a couple, but not like my closest, you know? Oh, and by the way, that was the Maybeline Fit Me concealer. And my face might look freaking retarded now, but that's over here. Gotta put some more. I almost just twist my ankle. Yeah, so I did that. Oh, but I went to Havasu this summer. I bodyboarded or whatever, like when it looks like a surfboard, you put your feet and you get up in the water like that. But I did that for the first time and it was amazing. It was such an amazing experience. I'd never been to Arizona before, and seeing the stars at night, oh my god, that was so beautiful. I loved it. Oh, and I learned how to roller skate because for 6 months, me and my boyfriend, we went to this roller skating rink and it was just so fun. I suck at roller skating. I'm a scaredy cat. It's depressing. It's been a good summer actually, although it hasn't felt like it, but it's been a really good summer. Now I'm gonna do eyeshadow. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use my Morphe palette, which I'm so happy about. Like, these colors are beautiful. Like, I swear, like, oh my god. It looks like that and it's so cute. I love sparkly colors, and this is like full of sparkly colors. The only ones that aren't sparkly are these bottom ones. So, you know, I love that. Yeah, I'm gonna get my permit hopefully soon, and then go from there. And then I can get my license hopefully in February when I turn 16. How does that look? I don't know. I should be a bit more sparkly. Maybe I should put something lighter. No, probably shouldn't. My goal for this year is to really not procrastinate, which I know is probably not gonna happen. I'm probably gonna procrastinate the second day. I just really want to try more. I really need to start like actually trying in school. I think I know what college I want to go to, UC Santa Barbara, because it's right by the beach. And I think I want to be a teacher, like an elementary school teacher, because I really love working with kids and teaching people things. Like, that sounds bossy, but I mean, like, I don't know, I just think I want to be a teacher. Oh, also, do you guys want to see like a back to school clothing haul? Because I wasn't sure to do one. It's like the other day, So I hadn't looked at my channel in a really long time, I'm just gonna be honest with you. And then the other day I was like, I wanna look at my videos. And like, so I was just looking at them, and then I started looking at the comments. Freaking like, it makes me so happy. Like, you guys don't know how much each comment made me happy. Like, yikes. And I got sad because I was like, man, stop making videos. I really need to make them again because I'm letting these people down. Although they probably don't care about me. I don't know what I'm trying to say. I'm just saying, like, I'm sorry for being gone. Last year, really, the schoolwork did pick up a lot, and I'm pretty sure the same thing is gonna happen this year. I'm gonna do eyebrows. I really want a camera. I've been wanting one since I was in the 5th grade. Okay, they look freaking sparkly. That's gross. And we'll dry it up. It's probably gonna be stuck to my face, but no, that's okay. Also, hopefully I can get braces soon, cause I had them before. It's terrible, cause look, but yeah, I didn't wear my retainer, so if you have braces, do not forget to wear your retainer after, because or else this happens. They were actually straight, which makes me so sad, and you're probably not gonna be able to see me do my mascara, which is I'm sorry. I hate mascara. It's usually this eye. That does not want to comprehend. Why did I make my nostrils bigger? That's embarrassing. I'm irrelevant. Anyways. I don't know how to put highlighter on. Did I mention that? I don't know. Thought I was good at it. Then nope. Turns out I put a line. Just one line. No, that's perfect. I don't know how to blend it out. I just don't. So I was oh dang it. I was gonna try, like, you know, putting it on with my finger today. I didn't do that, but I'll try doing that. Really want to start uploading more, like I seriously do. Like, I love making videos. I've been making them since I was 9 years old. I want to do like a get to know me video, because I feel like, well, I know you guys don't know a lot about me, and I really want you guys to. And I would love to do a Q&A. I'm just a chicken. I don't want anybody at school to find out about my YouTube channel. I also definitely want to film a get ready with me for the first day of school. And guys, I'm so freaking happy because my boyfriend, we're gonna get matching shoes, which I'm so excited about. I'm just like, yes. I'm glad my freshman year went amazing. That's another thing I want to do. I kind of want to do like a freshman advice video, but then it's kind of late now because like all the freshmen are gonna already be in school now. So I don't know. Just please leave a bunch of video requests below. Like, I need them. My hair looks like a wreck because I just showered. That's another thing. I dyed my hair. You can't tell right here. I got it in a balayage. Yeah, I look disgusting. Yeah, I dyed my hair. I didn't turn on these. That wouldn't make the video so much cuter, wouldn't it? They don't sell these at Target anymore. Like, are you kidding me? So this is the final look. I have a tiny forehead. So I hope you guys enjoyed my video. It was very blabbery, that's what I meant. But I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I really want you guys to start to get to know me better, and I want to do more videos like this. Maybe not like this because I'm terrible at talking. Like, comment, and subscribe, please, if you want. You don't have to though. I love you guys. So, bye.